Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're going to be cooking. Let's get started with my first cooking video. Here are the things we're gonna need to make the dough. Now over here I'm going to be adding 100 grams of water just because I used 100 grams of yogurt. But if you're going to be using milk, then it's just going to be 200 grams of milk. Let it stay for 10 minutes until it doubles its size. Now let's get to the filling. Here are the ingredients you need to make the filling. In a bowl, add 6 egg yolks and 100 grams of sugar. And 2 cups of milk. Give it a little bit of a stir and then I add 1 more cup of milk. And we're going to be adding 50 grams of flour. And I will be adding a beam of vanilla, that's if it's fresh, and then if you have that vanilla essence, then you're gonna have to use 1 tablespoon of it. Mix until it thickens. Leave it to cool down while you're cutting your donuts. that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching my first cooking video, and if you really enjoy this kind of video, make sure to subscribe and comment down below if you want me to make more of this kind of video. Bye.